Hey guys, it's Always Improving here, and today I have a video of me painting a witch illustration. This picture, I got inspired just because I wanted to draw like hooded figures, and so I thought witches, and so I decided to just start sketching ideas. And sketching ideas led to the creation of two different witches of different color schemes. But as I was doing this, I developed my ideas and kind of just had fun designing this character. Um, Anyways, the two color schemes, I was able to use watercolor in my new sketchbook because it's a mixed media sketchbook. So I wanted to just have fun and put some color in, and I developed the two color schemes around blue and purple for one of them, and green and red, I would say, for the other mainly. The two color schemes I then gave to a poll on Instagram, and the poll got 50-50 split of votes. There wasn't that many, but it ended up being a tie, so as you saw on my Instagram story, hopefully, I decided to do an illustration with both of them, which was difficult. I usually do not do illustrations with more than one person in them. So at first I was just kind of sketching ideas for illustrations with two people. As I finished developing my ideas for them, I kind of figured out the general pose I wanted, so I took it over and tried to add some detail and plan the larger image that I wanted to convey. I also was trying to do a different angle here because the camera setup wasn't great, but I figured it out in the end to make it work out. Here you can see me actually pull out my graphite paper that I got from the Let's Make Art box. I tried it once and it didn't show up very well, so I had to do it again, and even then it was really light, and I'm not sure exactly why, because in the past it was pretty dark when I had used it, but it gave me a rough sketch outline that I could then go back over and finalize the details again. It was kind of challenging because I had a few troubles with the size of the watercolor paper. It was smaller than I had wanted, but it was okay. Let's see, more about these characters. I decided when I was working on it, kind of developed my own story about it, like they're really close friends and they wanted to stick together against this evil enemy that is, I don't really know, but they would protect the other more than they would protect themselves, and I don't know, I kind of liked the story behind it, and I might want to continue developing these characters. I'm not sure yet. Tell me if you would have any ideas for that. It would be fun, I think. But yeah, I just had a couple of troubles throughout this painting with the squashed. I feel like it was too small, and I kind of wanted to get more in there than I could, so that was one issue. And then also, like, I wanted their skin tones to be different colors, and it was hard to make sure that their skin tones looked like skin tones that were real while still being different. And also just drawing, or I guess painting those hands, the holding the hands in the middle of the page, I wanted to be a little more prominent than it was, but I think it turned out pretty good. Yeah, for now I'm just filling in the colors of the two characters. looking back on this painting now, I kind of do wish I had shown more of the witch on the right. I wish I had shown more of her and her facial features because I really didn't get much of it. Also, I felt like this piece didn't have enough detail because I couldn't get small enough with the watercolors. So I decided to pull out some of my colored pencils right here and just add some details. I think it really fixed the piece, and I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. I was worried before I had used these pencils that it was going to be too blurry, too muddy, not clear enough of what I was trying to convey. But adding the pencils added a lot of definition to my piece, and I really liked how it turned out. So yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching my speed paint of these two characters, and let me know if you would want to see more about them in the future. I had fun doing this, and I think it would be fun to continue developing characters' stories. So thanks for watching. I hope to see you next time. Bye.